What's up, droners? B here, and I had to show up to talk to you guys about a big announcement that accidentally happened today. There's a Canadian manufacturer who accidentally leaked the retail information for the new Mavic Mini. Now, obviously, this has been one of the worst kept secrets in DJI's history. They're not really that good at not pre-releasing things. So the FCC actually also had the name of the Mavic Mini listed. So we already knew the name of the drone. We obviously know, considering the name was gonna be a small drone, but we didn't know exactly what the capabilities were gonna be or why they were doing it the way they were. And we found those things out today. So on this retail listing, it was very, very brief. It told us all that we need to know. First, the most important thing is that the weight. The weight of this drone is 248 grams. Now, why is that significant? That is extremely significant because all of the FAA rules begin at 250 grams. Now, if you don't know the history, the FAA has been petitioned multiple times by DJI to increase the minimum weight for the drones that are being registered, or regulated, I should say, because, well, DJI wants to make more money. They want more people to be able to fly drones and make them more accessible. That needle did not turn at all from all of those negotiations. So in response to that, DJI puts out a drone that is literally within 2 grams under the weight of what that regulation is. And if you look at the picture, the camera looks a lot like the camera that's the same camera as the Spark, the same camera as that's on the front of the Inspire 2. So in all honesty, the way that I look at this is hopefully this is their attempt to replace the Spark, since it was such a dud, in my opinion. Obviously, a lot of people have had fun with it. It's a gimmicky drone, but it only shoots 720. Its flight time was weak. This one's flight time is 30 minutes. That is longer than most of all the other Mavics, almost all the other drones that DJI puts out, probably because it's so light. And the range on this little thing is 4 kilometers. That is crazy. One big question is, how much is it gonna cost? Well, it was a retail listing, so it looks like it's gonna be costing a little bit under $500 US. So at $500 and the flight capabilities that it has, with the camera that it does, then this is a great alternative to the Spark. Now, speaking of the camera, is this something that me as a professional drone pilot, am I going to use this? Is this going to be a thing that I'm like, yo, you gotta check out the Mavic Air because I'm gonna use it on this production? No. I honestly personally believe it's probably gonna be decent for, like, I don't know, digital content. This isn't gonna be anything used on any professional productions by any stretch of the imagination. But you wanna talk about a fun first drone to have that you don't have to worry about any laws? It's winning. All right, droners, thank you so much for checking this out. Obviously, if you want to see more drone-related videos, we got them, so check those out and subscribe, like, put on the notifications so you'll know when I drop a new video. And as always, stay fly.